Hello and welcome back to the Trucking Australia 2018 event app. Today I'll be showing you how to use the activity stream. So this acts as the social wall for the app, and much like Facebook, this social wall lets you connect with all the attendees on a live platform. To begin with, you can scroll up and down to look through all the posts. And to refresh the page, scroll all the way to the top and you'll see a little spinning wheel there that's showing you that it is refreshing. Like Facebook as well, if we click on what's on your mind down the bottom, we can post a comment or a picture. You can also connect it to your LinkedIn and Twitter if that's set up with your account. You can put in hashtags and you can also tag others. So if you type the @ symbol, this will then take you through to a search bar. Search who you want and click on their name, and then that will put them in the post as well. Just for today though, I'm going to leave the text. When I want to post it, I'm going to press the tick in the top right hand corner. This is now live on the activity stream where people can like it or comment. And if I click on the 3 dots in the bottom right hand corner of my post, I can also edit my message or hide my message. And that is how you use the activity stream on Attendify.